in Ohio, and this is my 2023 300XC KTM. So it's probably my 5th or 6th ride on it. It's got 3.4 hours on it. I'm at Briarcliff MX today, and it's kind of a chillier day, maybe 57, 60 degrees, something like that. But anyhow, this bike, biggest impression, engine. Man, the engine's got low to mid power, partial throttle torque response. Chassis, it's stiff. It's stiffer than the other last year's chassis. It's still only got 3 hours on it. They say 10 to 12 before it breaks in. My buddy's 350s, it's got 12 hours on it. My buddy Dave's, and that chassis feels a lot better, so we'll see. Suspension wise, also the same. They're air forks. A lot of people don't like them. I still like springs better, but they're working okay. I have everything set standard, but I went to the comfort settings to get a little more comfort today. It's a little dry and choppy. First time I rode the bike, suspension felt actually pretty good, but I've been riding, it's been real dry lately here, so I've been riding a little bit of, I don't know, maybe a little more dry and choppy stuff, so just get a little more feedback. This is the beast mode map. This is fun. That's 5th gear. Beast mode is, map 2 is strong. But if you look at my channel, I've also got it where I just punt it around. Man, that's the best thing about this bike. Just that partial throttle roll on. Now let's take it over to the C track. I'm still not jumping. Got my new hip this summer. I'm just happy to be riding. So I got to take it kind of easy, but you can just still get a feel for the bike. Now that's 4th gear. And I just go to 3rd. I can do all these easy corners just in 3rd and just let it torque down. And it's got lots of torque. It even grunts down in the ruts. Pulls plenty hard through the RPM range. Really, I don't ever feel it kind of going flat at all. And that's why I think this bike is more about the guys that maybe go back from a 4-stroke to a 2-stroke. Because it's so easy to ride. And I'll put it down in map 1. And map 1 it isn't the mild map. Just has a little bit slower power gain. You can see it just carrying that front wheel. And the lightweight feel, I think the SX version's 219 pounds before gas. This XC is probably 2 pounds heavier. Man, is it ever crisp. Feels so light, no engine braking into the corners. And it just pulls. So, 2023 KTM 300XC. Man, I can't get the kickstand down. Anyhow, so engine, it's the biggest thing about this bike is the engine. It is so flippin' fast and fun. Easy to ride. 4-stroke guys makes it easy to ride. Still like there's that 2-stroke fun factor. No engine braking, light, floats through the stuff. Chassis firmer, suspension still breaking in. Man, I'm really excited about this bike. It's awesome on the Moto track. 2 big thumbs up.